And on this National UV Awareness Month, health officials want to keep warning about the dangers of getting too much sun.
Skin cancer is the most common cancer in the U.S. It's estimated that 1 in 5 Americans will develop it in their lifetime. That's according to the American Academy of Dermatology.
And our Danny Travis spoke with one local doctor who has beaten skin cancer twice and is now helping others who are going through the same thing. Danny?
Yes, Matt, Sam, well, there are a few different types of skin cancer, melanoma being the most common, and that is exactly what Dr. Kimmerle Cohen, who is a surgical oncologist at Good Samaritan and Palm Beach Medical Centers, has now beaten twice. Now, she says the geographical location of Palm Beach County plays a part for why she's seen quite a few patients come in every week, and at least 3 patients on her operating schedule weekly for melanoma. Now, Dr. Cohen says the longer your exposure to UV light, the greater risk for sun damage if you're unprotected. Some immediate damages include sunburns or second-degree burns in some cases. And long-term damages include skin cancer like melanoma, but doesn't really usually progress to that until later years. Now, Dr. Cohen says she speaks from both personal and professional experience when she says it's important to take care of your skin if you decide to go outside.
My favorite way, I don't want to say to scare patients, but just to put things in perspective, sun exposure is more carcinogenic than cigarette smoking. So you really wouldn't be out, smoking cigarettes. So why would you expose yourself to the sun for multiple hours? The most important thing is if we live in Florida, we live in a very sun-rich state. So obviously we don't want to keep you indoors, but if you are, make sure you wear a sunscreen.
Dr. Cohen shared some of these tips with us. As you just heard, wear sunscreen, especially the ones that say broad spectrum, protecting you from UVA and UVB. You'll want to put it on 30 minutes before going outside so it fully absorbs into your skin, but also wait 30 to 45 minutes before hopping in the pool or going in the ocean. She also advises avoiding sun exposure between the hours of 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. That's when the rays are most intense. And, of course, don't forget to protect your clothing and sunglasses for your eyes. And beyond these tips, you guys, Dr. Cohen says it's her dream to build a skin cancer institute at Good Samaritan. And as you just heard, because she has beat skin cancer twice.